Hello everyone. Today I am going to do the EPANET software tutorial for just learning. Okay, first I load the model. Open. I have one done already. I've already got the model. Anyway, this is the model. Okay, this is our model. Then if we want to get the data which notice data notification, we can do node ID, link ID, display node value. Okay, that we can get the pipe. This is node 70, this is pipe 102, and we get our data. Okay, then we'll analyze it. Analysis. Okay, this is our analysis. Now we can get the pressure at node. Looking at pressure at node, and we can see the flow. In the link, we can see the flow. Look, you can see the flow is 141 here. We get the data. This is our pipe pipe where we can get our flow. If one get the head loss, uh, you need head loss in the flow, then we can get it like this. If one get it 1024, okay, let's see our head loss. Length this one, roughness this one, coefficient loss coefficient initial starts this one, flow this one, velocity unit head loss is 3.52. You can get it. Friction is 0.33. Reaction rate is 0.00, quality is 0.00, status is open. You can see it by next way also. Okay, next way we can see at next time. It is at 12 o'clock. Now we are going to see it in 11 hours. 11 hours. Okay, let's see in 11 hours. We got headless of 1.94. By this way, we can get our pipe loss, head loss in each flow. Next, I'm going to show you the elevation problem using trial and error approach. We'll compare the data about observed data with our uh, observed data with our predicted data. We have already got the data here. Okay, we have the data in here. Here is our okay. This one is data. Data. This data file. We'll choose another notepad just once. This is our pressure data. We have pressure. We're going to look at node 30, 90, and 120. Okay. First we'll load we'll load. Sorry, this one. No. First we'll load the data in our project. For this one, we're going to put the project calibration data, and if we need the pressure, we are going to browse that file here. If you need anything here, we'll put it here and do further process like that. Then, mm, then after that, after we load the data, we'll go to click analysis. Rounds were successful, and we're going to see the calibration report. Calibration report. We're going to use pressure. Okay, and yeah, pressure observed is 39 to 120. We got pressure 2.324. What was the pressure? Let's check here. It was pressure was uh, what we change? Let's roughness coefficient. When our roughness coefficient was 100, we get the 2.324 here. 2 point Windows using it 2.324. Yeah. We have got the three groups here. Group one, we can make the group on the basis of diameter, pressure, um, diameter, pressure, coefficients, anything. But relative pressure, age, we can anything. But the primary factor for making the group is materials, age, anything. Okay, let's check if we can get a predicted. We can see the data. Let's interpret this data. So the correlation plot, the correlation plot, so that our 120 is below the hour line and 190 is below the line. It is underestimate, and 120 30 at no 30 all are below, that is underestimate. We can see that what is the calibration there. We can see that it is our actual value model is going up, but our actual value is down. It is underestimated. Yeah. We can how we can make it. What is the parameter which can help uh, it? We can like if we change the correlation of coefficient a little higher, the floor will be exactly no somehow the same. Let's change the correlations coefficients. Okay, what's this one? For this one, we are going to select all, then edit, then group edit. First, okay, we're going to for the types, the tag number one, we're going to put it 120. See what we can be. Okay, five types are updated. Run it. Successful. Let's see the report. Television pressure. Yeah, we got 2.324. Let's write in Excel sheet. 2 pro is almost same. We have no change. If we change the value, we have no change. Mean correlation plot, we can see that we have almost no change. Okay. Okay, select. We're going to we're going to make it with mm, tag 1 to 130 also. Oh, sorry. Edit with the right tag number is equals to 1 with 130. Put it. Let me check. Sorry. Our tag change is 120. So into compile this upon again. No. Minute. Let's run it. Open it all. Yeah, you can proceed unit headless or anything we can write, and we're going to put calibration. Oh, sorry, pressure calibration data. Uh, pressure, we have about down one. Okay, then we go to analysis, and we're going to report calibration and see this 2.23. We're going to change it now. Mm, Group improve. We're going to use pipes tag equals to 1. Tag replace the when you're going to replace coefficient with I have forgot to draw on this one. Replace coefficient with 120. 9 pipe was updated. Let's see. If we see here 120 is replaced. Now we should go to analysis it, run analysis, report, calibration. Okay, it's gone to 1.124. And we see the correlation plot. In the value is within our uh, actual value, and it's gone overestimated. Look, the 90 it gone overestimated, and 120 is almost same. So what we can see that from the plot, if you put 120, 100, 100, 100, it is like Our static value is 1.125. See this one. If we change, okay, let's see. If we change again, select all. Okay, we did. Uh, 5. If we change, we tag equal to 2 to coefficient of option to uh, 85. What will you get? Okay, let's change. Let's do it like this. 120 by 85, 100, 100. We can get it. Let's analyze it and report, calibration report. Let's see. This is closer 0.886. We have 0.99 correlation part. It's almost the load for heart is almost same. 120 it is some odd over the line, under the line. If we change it, it will go overestimate or underestimate. We can get exact value, but the node 9 is on overestimate. We can make it underestimate. Yeah, yeah, it's almost estimate. We can see, we can show that there is something. You know, so report it is almost something 0.886 and 886. If we decrease this one, okay, okay, but our node 2 is, let's see the report. If we see the report, calcium pressure report, calcium plot, it is 90 is 90. 90 means this one. It is the tag, tag with 2. Hmm? With 2. If it's, we have changed the course 85. And by changing, let's change it to select all, edit, group edit. We change the pipe with the tag number equal to 2. Change it to, change it to 90. Let's see what will be analysis it report. See the calibration report. It's 0.973. It's also same. We do not have any change. Yeah. Let's select all. Let's read it. 5, change it to 70. We decrease the correlations of pipe. We can decrease it. Uh, Calibration. Okay. It is almost in the line, and I will satisfy with with this value, and this is our result. Look, with this one satisfy with 120. What is the chicken? We have changed it 7, no, 70. 70. We do not change this one. This is fine. It's fine. We get no calibration report. We get 0.650. 0.650. 65. Yeah, I'm satisfied with the result. By this way, we can change our, we can compare our root mean uh, square error. Uh, Thank you. By this way, we can compare our data with the observed and observed and predicted pressure, and we can minimize the sum of square root between the predict and observed pressure. Thank you.